our fence has just been brought down by the, I don't know, I just found a truck bringing down the fence. And they say that the vocational Kapsabet Youth Polytechnic wants to put a gate here. I don't know who allowed them to put a gate because we have not agreed as the community. This land belongs to Kapsabet School for the Deaf Primary. That's the title deed. It reads Kapsabet School for the Deaf Primary. So if there is any gate that has been to be put by the Kapsabet Youth Polytechnic, they should have consulted us. But they just come one morning, they just put down the fence together with these rambles you can see here. This was a toilet, they have brought it down. And now they have made our children who are already vulnerable to be vulnerable. They are so more vulnerable. It's very wrong. I'm appealing to whoever must hear us to give the security to these children. It's very wrong.
We actually saw the truck when it was here, putting down the fence. With the vocational, which is supposed to be in school, I think the registration would have even come under Ministry of Education, North County Government. But now, since it has been put on into the county government, the other side now are pulling to their side, and I think it's something that needs to be checked properly so that we can have an amicable solution to that. When we talked with the people from vocational who are with us here, we said that let a fence be put first, let the facilities which are on this side, which belong to primary, be transferred to the other side if we have to stay together. But it looks that has been bypassed. And now the thing that has been done is really unlawful. As much as they may be saying that we agreed, I don't think that we agreed to open the gate first before putting the fence and transferring the facilities which are on this side to the other side. And I think that is the biggest point of contention. And that is why we have really felt very bad. And I think I can end there. I think it's the disappointment of the children also that why have we been opened to the public? Yeah, you see there. My appeal to the county government is that if possible, the vocational or the youth polytechnic could be given to them somewhere, it will be okay. Because these facilities belong actually to the deaf. The institution which was here from the beginning is the primary school. And along the way, it was thought that the deaf are disadvantaged. So they need a vocational training. And the reason for beginning this vocational training was to help the deaf. But now, I think it was done in a way that it integrated the community. But it is to a larger disadvantage of the deaf now, because the deaf who are here are few. The others are many. And putting into consideration now this season of pandemic, it's really a problem, because if we have people from outside coming in and these are deaf children, it becomes a problem. We can transfer easily a problem to them, and it will be a big issue. That is why they were also disappointed when they saw that. So in fact, we have been telling them always to take care of themselves. As much as we are trying to put the gate, in fact the gate was very important for us with this fence. In fact, we also tried to close the fence which, at the corner there, sometimes last month, before the schools opened. But now when we open it like this, then it becomes a problem. Yeah. So that is why we are somehow disappointed.